Hi friends, it's Miss Kim. I'm going to show you guys how to vacuum. I have my vacuum cleaner right here. I unplug the cord or unwind the cord. You got to plug it into the outlet. You turn the vacuum on. And then you start vacuuming by pushing the vacuum back and forth. Keep pushing the vacuum back and forth. You turn the vacuum off, and then you unplug it from the outlet. Don't forget to wind up the cord. Have a great day.